Arrive in style with this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet and passenger vanity mirror. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.